guys.
Hello guys, welcome to my Haitian Creole learning channel. Today, we'll be teaching you the Haitian Creole alphabet, the personal pronouns, and a few Creole sentences. After completing this module, you will be able to, number one, know and pronounce easily the Haitian Creole letters. Number two, how to use the personal pronouns. Number three, formulating some Haitian Creole sentences. Please stay connected. Don't stop the video. Watch it until the end. And thank you for your time. Let's go. Hey guys, let's start to it. Let's jump into the lesson. All right. Alphabet Creole Haitien, Haitian Creole alphabet. Please listen carefully. Pay attention to each sound. It's very important that you master all the Haitian alphabets. A, B, S, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, U, A, N, P, R, S, T, W, V, W, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. All right? Note, in Haitian Creole, there's no U, there's no X, and there's no Q. Okay? In Haitian Creole language, that's a bonus. There's no U, there's no Q, and there's no X. As you can see it in English, but it doesn't exist in Haitian Creole language. Hey, now let's jump into personal pronouns in Haitian Creole. First pronoun, moi, I, me, nous, we, us, ou, you, they are same. Li, he, she, it, him, her, it. Fourth pronoun, yo, they, them. I just talked about the pronouns. Now let's jump into the verb. Let's try to conjugate a verb with the pronouns. Verb to eat, present tense. Verbe manger, temps présent. I eat, moi manger. You eat, ou manger. He, she, it, eats, li manger. We eat, nous manger. You eat, ou manger. They eat, you manger. Note, there's no difference between the second person of singular and the second person of plural. They express the same reality in Haitian Creole. I repeat, there's no difference between the second person of singular and the second person of plural. They express the same reality in Haitian Creole. All right? This verb is, okay, we've talked about many things. We've talked about Haitian Creole alphabet, personal pronouns, creating sentences. Now we are at Haitian Creole sentences. How to say hello, how are you, I'm well, see you later, what's up, what's going on, it was nice seeing you, same as always, everything is well. Okay, let's get started. Bonjour. If you want to say hello in Haitian Creole, you say bonjour. Comment vous êtes? How are you? Comment vous êtes? Moi bien. I am well. Moi bien. I am well. See you later. Na we pita. See you later. Na we pita. Sak passe. Sakap fet, what's up? What's going on? It was nice seeing you. Mwen te kontan well. Mem bagay yo. Same as always. Tout bagay bien. Everything is well. For watching this video. Don't forget, like, share, comments, and subscribe.